Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how I created this Valentine's Day photo shoot for my little girl. This was a last minute idea that I came up with today, so I had to get all of my supplies and come home and get everything set up. As you can see, this is the outfit that I picked out for her. Then I went over to Hobby Lobby and at home to get my props. Next, I got home and I started setting up everything. So as you can see, I'm straightening out the rug and I'm getting ready to start putting all my props together. Here, I'll start off with the stool, and then you have Treasure coming because she wants to be involved and wants to help out with mommy. Next, I'm going to place this vase and then I'll get these flowers set up. I'm going to also put down this table and then the lamp as well. Treasure wants to help me and she starts messing with the vase, so I have to go ahead and put her in her playpen. As you can see, I'm placing these flowers in this tall vase that I already had at my house, so I'm just adding the pink ones to go with the theme. Next, I'm just going to do some minor rearrangements, move things around until I get it in the position that I like it. Here, I am going to start placing some pictures and artwork on the wall. So I have these hearts that I thought would go so well. And I'm lucky that I was able to find all this stuff because it's literally the day before Valentine's Day, so I was winging it. So now I'm just putting on my last touches and we will be getting started with the photo shoot soon. Hopefully Treasure is in a good mood and she isn't too cranky because this is technically her nap time, but because we are working on short time, I just wanted to go ahead and get started. She's doing good so far. She's smiling, she's laughing, so that's great. Doesn't she look so adorable? So I just had to put her back in her chair because she kept getting up a little bit. But that's it. So I hope you guys like this video. And as always, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.